Hi folks, Mike Schrampke with Larry Stove Sand Equipment, America's largest selling Kioti dealer. Kioti has some fabulous programs on skid steers and track steers, and I am discounting them a bunch. Right now, I've got all skid steers and track steers on sale, as well as attachments. I'll give you an example. Let's go outside. How about this deal? A Kioti TL750 track loader, 73 horsepower, 2-speed transmission, just a gem of a machine, with an Ironcraft swing boom brush cutter. This thing is fantastic. 44 inches wide. It has blades that are 5/8 inch thick. It'll cut up to 3 inches. And the all Kiotis come standard with the hydraulics and the electric right up front. These Ironcraft boom cutters are bad mammo jammas. They'll reach out 8 feet. They've got a 3-inch cutting capacity. It's 44 inches wide. And they are just nasty. So how much is all this goodness? Well, if you take the Kioti TL750 and the Ironcraft swing boom cutter, add the MSRPs together, it's $75,013. Right now, Kioti has a choice of a $3,500 rebate or low interest financing. If you take the rebate, your price is only $62,500. $62,500, write a check and off you go. If you decide to finance, 2.99% financing for 84 months, which is really awesome. In fact, if you go shorter terms, the rate drops even lower than that. But I kind of like that one. 2.99 for 84 months makes your payment $879 a month with no money down. $879 or $62,500. I can do this deal for folks within about 150 miles of the store. Kioti has restrictions on where I can sell these, where anybody can sell these really, and about 150 miles. So, you know, Kentucky above us, Alabama below us, and the entire Middle Tennessee corridor. If you're in that area and you'd like to have one of these, I'd like to earn your business. Give us a call, 615-956-0334, or email us, sales@lsetractor.com, sales at LSE, like Larry Stove Sand Equipment Tractor.com. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.